Aviation accidents, while rare, can have devastating consequences from minor accidents on the tarmac the major in-flight emergencies. The aftermath of a plane crash demands a thorough understanding of aviation laws and regulations. Navigating the complexities of these cases requires the expertise of a seasoned aviation accident lawyer. These professionals possess the specialized knowledge needed to ensure victims receive the justice and compensation they deserve. Only Law is a nationally recognized leader in aviation accidents representation with a proven track record of success. Only Law stands as a top choice for those seeking justice after a plane crash. If you are a loved one or have been injured in a plane crash, contact the experienced aviation accidents lawyers at Manley Law for a free consultation. Understanding aviation accidents. Aviation accidents encompass a range of incidents from minor runway mishaps to catastrophic mid-air collisions. Broadly, they can be categorized into number one, runway incidents. These often involve issues during takeoffs or landings, such as skidding or collisions on the tarmac. Number two, in flight emergency situation like engine failures, fires, or structure issues that occur during a flight. Number three, mid-air collisions, rare but devastating. These involves two aircrafts colliding in the air. Number four, controlled flight into terrain. When an airworthy aircraft inadvertently flies into the ground, water, or an obstacle. Common causes of aviation accidents nationally include pilot or ground crew error, mechanical failures, adverse weather conditions, and air traffic control miscommunications. The National Transportation Safety Board reported 1,085 general aviation accidents in the US in 2020. The number of fatal accidents has decreased in 2022 to only 5, according to a safety report put out by the International Air Transport Association. Aircraft accidents can involve commercial planes, private aircraft, helicopters, and other small planes are and recreational airplanes. The severity of these accidents can often result in catastrophic injuries and even wrongful death. The role of an aviation accident lawyer. An aviation accident lawyer serves as a beacon of guidance in the tumultuous aftermath of an airplane crash. Their primary responsibilities include: Number one, investigation. Your lawyer will do a thorough investigation into the accidents, gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and collaborating with aviation experts to pinpoint the case. Number two, legal strategy. Based on the evidence, they craft a robust legal strategy tailored to the specifics of the case. Number three, representation. Whether in negotiations with insurance companies or in court, they advocate fairly for the victim's rights. Number four, compensation pursued. They strive to secure maximum compensation for damage, be it current and future medical care, future accidents related expenses, lost wages, or emotional trauma. In the intricate realm of aviation law, generic legal counsel might falter. An aviation accident lawyer with their specialized expertise ensures that victims and their families navigate the legal maze with precision, maximizing their chances of a favorable outcome. Only Law, your best choice for success. For airplane or helicopter crash victims, Monley Law stands as a beacon of excellence and dedication. With their legacy spanning over 60 years, they have consistently championed the rights of accident victims throughout Pennsylvania. Their expertise isn't just noted in longevity, it's proven by a track record of significant multi-million dollar settlements and verdicts. The firm's accolades, including national recognition and board certification from the National Board of Trial Advocacy, speak volumes about their commitment to justice. But beyond the awards and settlements, it's the personal touch, the unwavering dedication to each client that truly sets Monley Law apart. When seeking representation in the aftermath of an aviation disaster, Mully Law emerged as the clear choice of those aiming for success. Their motto, choose carefully, underscores the importance of selecting a firm with both experience and a heart for advocacy. Schedule a free consultation without experienced aviation lawyers today. Aviation accidents attorneys versus personal injury attorneys. While both aviation accidents lawyers and general personal injury lawyers advocate for victims' rights, their areas of expertise differ significantly. Aviation accident lawyers are well versed in the intricate nonsense of aviation law, regulations, and industry standards. They understand the technicalities of aircraft operations, maintenance, and the unique challenges these cases present. They will know how to handle both private aviation accidents and commercial aviation accidents, which can often involve multiple defendants. On the other hand, general personal injury lawyers handle a broader spectrum of personal injury claims, from car accidents to workplace injuries, without the specific focus on the aviation industry. The complexity of aviation cases demands a lawyer with specialized knowledge. Hiring a journalist might mean overlooking critical details unique to aviation accidents. For the best chance at a favorable outcome, it's imperative to have an expert by your side. Factors to consider when choosing an aviation accident attorney. Choosing the right aviation accident attorney as a pivotal decision that can significantly impact the outcome of your case. Experience in the field is paramount. An attorney with a track record of handling aviation cases will be familiar with the nonsense and complexities involved. Reputation also matters. Seek out attorneys who come highly recommended either through client testimonials or peer underestimates specialized. Knowledge is crucial, so ensure your choose lawyer is well versed in aviation laws, regulations, and industry standards. Accessibility is another factor. You will want an attorney who is readily available to answer questions and provide updates. Lastly, consider the attorney's approach and philosophy. A lawyer who genuinely cares about your well-being and is dedicated to securing the best possible outcome will be an invaluable ally in your pursuit of justice. Common challenges in airplane accidents cases. Aviation accident cases are inherently complex, presenting several challenges. Determining liability can be intricate given the multiple parties involved, from airplane manufacturers to commercial pilots and crew members, airline operators, and maintenance crews. Technical complexities often arise, requiring expert testimonials to decipher aircraft's mechanics, flight data, and industry standards. International laws and regulations can further complicate matters, especially if the accident involves foreign carriers or occurs outside national boundaries. Another challenge is that commercial airline and insurance companies often use aggressive defense strategies to minimize the compensation they must pay, With the right legal representation, these hurdles can be overcome if you or a loved one has been affected by an aviation accident. Often use aggressive defense strategies to minimize the compensation they must pay. With the right legal representation, these hurdles can be overcome if you or a loved one has been affected by an aviation accident. Don't try to handle your claim yourself. Only laws experienced lawyers will meet with you for a free consultation to take the first step toward a resolution. Compensation in a airplane crash case. Aviation accidents victims and their families often face serious emotional, physical, and financial burdens. Fortunately, legal avenues exist to seek compensation for these hardship. Victims may be entitled to medical bills covering immediate and future medical bills, therapies, and rehabilitation costs. Medical bills covering immediate and future medical bills, therapies, and rehabilitation costs, lost wages, compensation for earnings lost due to the accidents, and potential future income or if the victim's ability to work is impacted. Pain and suffering, addressing the physical pain and emotional trauma experienced, loss of consortium compensation for the impact on relationships, particularly between spouses. Wrongful death in tragic cases where lives are lost, surviving family members can seek compensation for funeral expenses, loss of companionship, and lost future earnings. Each case is unique, and the exact compensation will vary. However, with the right legal representation, victims can pursue the maximum damage they are entitled to. Frequently asked questions about aviation accidents. Lawyers: what causes most aviation accidents? While aviation accidents can result from various factors, many aviation accidents are caused by pilot error, mechanical failures, adverse weather conditions, and air traffic control communications. How soon should I contact a lawyer after an aviation accident? It's advisable to consult an aviation accident lawyer as soon as possible. Prompt action ensures the preservation of crucial evidence and allows for a timely investigation. Who can be held liable in an aviation accident? Liability can fall on multiple parties, including aircraft manufacturers, airline operators, maintenance crews, and even air traffic controllers. Depending on the accident's cause, only law will hold all negligent parties accountable. What if the accident occurred outside the US? Aviation accidents involving international flights or occurring the foreign territories can be more complex due to international laws and treaties. However, victims still have rights and should consult with the attorney experienced in international aviation laws. How is compensation determined? Compensation is based on various factors including the severity of injuries, medical expenses, lost wages, and emotional trauma. Your attorney will provide a more precise estimate after reviewing the specifics. Will my case go to trial? While many aviation accident cases are settled out of court, some may proceed to trial, especially if a fair settlement isn't reached. Your lawyer will guide you through the best course of action. Let Mulne law handle your airplane accident case. When an aviation accident leaves you with serious injuries, the last thing you want to deal with the resulting legal claim. But Mulne law will be by your side every step of the way. With over 6 years of experience, Mulne law has a reputation as leader in aircraft accident cases. The law firm constantly secures maximum settlements and verdicts for clients, and they can do the same for you. Monley Law will handle your case with with compassion and dedication, supporting you every step of the way. Their national recognition combined with their deep commitment to justice makes them to clear choice for victims and family members recovering from an airplane accident. Don't take on your aviation accident case alone. Contact Amolle Law today and let their aviation accidents attorneys lead the way to justice.